Today we're going to show you how to add a link to your new blog page in your Thinkific site's navigation menu. I'm Harriet from Drop-In Blog. Let's get into it. Once logged into your Thinkific account, on the left-hand side menu, click on Channels. Then in the drop-down, click on Website. In this page, click on your new blog page. You'll be taken to the site builder. On the left side, look for Header, then click on it. Under Blocks, click on the Add Link button. Under Text, name your link. We'll use Blog to be straightforward. Then under Link, click on the drop-down. Scroll down and select another page as your destination. Under Page, click on the drop-down. Then scroll down to Custom Pages and select Blog. You can move your blog link to come first or before another link by hovering over this icon on the link we are currently working with, then simply clicking and dragging to your desired position. We've put it before all products, and you'll see it appear on the preview here. Once satisfied with its positioning, click on Save. And to check out your new blog link, click on Back here on the upper left. Then click on this chain icon to copy your blog page link. Paste the link in the address bar. Hit Enter. You'll see the link to your blog in the navigation menu. And that is how you add a link to your new blog page in your Thinkific site's navigation menu. Happy blogging!